For comprehensive store management, simply click on this button. As you can see, you have extensive control over your online store. You can sell physical products, digital products for buyers to download post-purchase, or services with appointment scheduling. Your availability can be adjusted from the appointments page. The categories, orders, and discounts pages are self-explanatory. The store settings section allows you to select the currency, input your company information, add payment methods such as PayPal or Stripe, incorporate shipping options, customize emails like order confirmation, manage taxes, and personalize your invoices. To return to editing your website, simply click on Store Manager and then Edit Website. Before delving into editing the template content, it's important to note that you can easily integrate your website with tools like Google Analytics, Hotjar to collect your real data on visitor interactions, Facebook Pixel for tracking, WhatsApp for direct communication, and AdSense. Among other notable features in this menu are form submissions, built-in analytics, multi-language support, and managing backups.